Phosphor Dot friends, spooky season is in full session, and that weighs heavily on our game choices for this entire month of October. And so that brings us, unfortunately, to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre on the Atari 2600 by an outfit called Wizard Games. Wizard released only a couple of titles under that name because basically they were going in for the shock value. They licensed horror movie properties that quite honestly deserved better games, and they were just trying to coast along on controversy. The games were not exactly high quality. So here you are looking for victims, and killed one. That's the point of the game, right there. You see you have a fuel gauge at the top of the screen, so you've only got so much fuel for your chainsaw. If you run out, that costs you a life. You have to try again. Ah, the piercing scream of another victim. That's all there is to this game. It's underwhelming, to say the least. Oh no, I ran face first into a wheelchair, and this slowed my progress and cost me fuel. Alright. And transformed another victim into something that looks like a gerbil stuffed into an hourglass. Alright. I'm trying to figure out how I can have a limited number of lives when it's common knowledge that any horror movie villain has as many lives as it takes to crank out a franchise worth of sequels. Oh, okay, and that's what happens at the end of the game. You get your comeuppance. It's really not much of a game. I think we've established that. To be quite honest, video games were a new enough thing, and we're already As a medium, video games were already dealing with enough accusations that they were causing truancy and glorification of violence. Such graphic violence there. Maybe I'm turning them into ice cream sandwiches. But video games were being accused of enough things without someone like Wizard Games coming along and offering ammo that would be seen as proof that, oh yeah, they are promoting violence, just like those terrible horror movies. He's got to sneak up behind him. All right. I mean, to be fair, the Alright, and I'm doing better. I'm killing more innocent victims in this game than I did in the last one. Is there a win condition? I wonder if there's a win condition. Ah. Oh, maybe there is no win condition, and the whole point of the game is, even though you killed a bunch of people for a lot of points, someone else shows up and kills you in the end. Obviously I've got very mixed feelings about this sort of thing. It's a painfully stupid game. And, you know, it certainly didn't help with, you know, the various accusations of other games, you know, unleashing younger players' most violent impulses. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre did not help in that regard.